Hello, everybody. Okay, so if you've not been to any of my shows, you might not know me. I am Benjamin from A Hair Thingy. I am Auntie B's brother. And so there's a lot of new followers or a lot of people introduced to A Hair Thingy. And so I just want to introduce myself and give you a little background regarding A Hair Thingy. I'm one of the four characters in A Hair Thingy. My name is Benjamin. And so most of you guys know Auntie B, my sister, and then there's Tumishka, the hairdresser, and my mom, Auntie Doreen. Okay, so from time to time you will see videos from myself, you'll see videos from Auntie B, Bernie, and from Tumishka, and every now and then you'll see something from Auntie Doreen. Okay, so the purpose for this page or this production thingy is to motivate, make people laugh, make you forget about the stresses of our day-to-day living, even if only for a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay, so there's a lot of inspirational videos in texts that I do post on Facebook, also on YouTube. Okay, so please join my page at A Hair Thingy, and then also ask your friends and peers or family to also join my page. Thank you so much for your support.